Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West, and I got a question for you guys. All right, because I've been looking into the stock market, and is it even possible to trade for a living? Is that even possible? Because I've been getting some advice sometimes. And I've heard from people way more experienced than me. I've heard learn it but don't do it. It's like taking a Xanax. It'll work, but it can mess you up, especially in high doses. So first of all, to trade for a living, I would think you need about a couple of million to trade for a living. That I'm pretty sure is what you need to trade for a living. And then again, you also need time to trade for a living. Okay, you also need to have the time, and most people have gigs and stuff, and they can't be sitting in front of their computer learning technical analysis, the different patterns and everything. So that's another thing. You got to have the time and the commitment and the mindset for it. I would think, boy, you better start meditating. So you need a bankroll, and then you need discipline and some kind of management system as well. You need some kind of management system, because without that, how are you going to trade for a living? Especially, we're talking about here, for a living. If someone can tell me how that's possible, leave a comment. If you like this channel and the stuff that I talk about, sometimes it's random. I want to make a comeback here, and I want to see what people think about this. You guys think it's possible to trade for a living, or only a very small percentage of the world trades for a living? Which that's probably accurate. Only a very small percentage. So is this a crazy idea, or is it possible, or what? So let me know what you guys think. I think it's I agree with the example of the advice that I got, which was learn it, but I don't know if you can make it into a gig. It's good to learn, though. And just when you think you've learned some stuff, you end up learning even more. It's about emotions, right? You're trading. When you're talking about trading, most of it has to do with emotions, human emotions, and how they feel about things, stuff like that. So let me know if you guys think that can be done for a living. Okay? Maybe it can, maybe it can't. But yeah. Let me know, all right, what you guys think. What else about it? I think you have a better chance of doing the dog walking for a living than trading. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe to my channel. Let's build this thing back up again. Trading for a living. Is that a crazy idea, or can some people make it a reality? A lot of people also give you the advice of you can do it, but not at first, okay, or not yet. So let me know what you guys think. You guys think it's possible? Let me know. This is Rafe West with another random spiel. I'd like to do it. I guess that's why I think about it. I'd like to see if I can do it, but I don't know if I can do it. Let me know. All right, guys? Take care, everybody. Peace.